Alright everybody, today we are reviewing a product from Paciffico. This is not only a Paciffico brand, but it's also from Paciffico the seller. It's Paciffico. This is a camo hat, which actually I picked up because I just need a wide brimmed hat. I used to have one like this back when I was younger, and I lost it, and I wanted to replace it. So, it's like a bucket style hat. That way you've got like this wide brim that can go over the top. You've got some breathable air holes in here, so that way you can sweat a little bit and get a little bit of air in there. You've got these buttons, so that way you can button it up if you'd like. Well, maybe you can't. Yeah, extremely difficult, and I am thinking that these buttons just aren't going to work. Not a big deal. I didn't buy it for the buttons anyway, but it is